Imagine waking up, not in your bedroom, but inside a cold, dark cave. And outside, something is watching you. This was real life thousands of years ago in the Stone Age. But how did humans survive without technology? And what made them smart enough to change the world forever? Let's find out. The Stone Age began over 2.5 million years ago. It was called the Stone Age because early humans used stone to make tools. But life wasn't easy. Humans were not the strongest animals, not the fastest, not the biggest. They lived in caves or temporary shelters made from wood and animal skins. Every day was about one thing: survival. They hunted animals like deer and mammoths, but hunting was dangerous. One mistake and you didn't control. So how did humans survive? Not with strength, with intelligence. One of the biggest turning points in human history was fire. At first, humans probably saw fire from lightning strikes, but eventually they learned how to control it. Fire gave them warmth in cold nights, protection from predators, light in darkness, and something revolutionary: cooked food. Cooking made food easier to digest. That gave humans more energy. More energy helped the brain grow, and that growing brain changed everything. This wasn't just survival anymore. This was evolution in action. Stone tools may sound simple, but they were genius inventions. Humans shaped sharp stones into spears, knives, scrapers. They made clothes from animal skins. They worked together in groups. Communication improved. Planning improved. Problem solving improved. That's when humans started becoming something new. Not just animals, but thinkers. And then something incredible happened. Humans began to create art. Inside caves like this in France, ancient paintings still exist today. Animals, hunting scenes, symbols. Why would someone living in survival mode paint on walls? Because humans weren't just surviving anymore. They were imagining. Storytelling had begun. Creativity had begun. Culture had begun. This was the beginning of civilization. For thousands of years, humans moved place from place. But then they discovered farming. Instead of hunting food, they grew it. Instead of moving, they stayed. Villages formed. Communities grew. And that marked the end of Stone Age. Human history was entering a new chapter. So the Stone Age wasn't just about rocks and caves. It was about innovation, adaptation, intelligence. It was the foundation of everything we are today. But here's the real question. If you were born in the Stone Age, do you think you would survive? And what invention do you think that changed human history the most? If you like this video, I'm sure you would like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time in Smart Talks with Raj.